Hello, my YouTube friend. This is Not Mechanic Kid, and today I'm hanging out with Big Bob. Say what's up, Bob?
What's up, Bob? I'm here. What's up, everybody? I'm hanging out with the best mechanic in the world. Please call him, because I needed him.
All right, so we're working on a 2007 Saturn Vue, and all we're going to be doing is changing the spark plugs. We're right in front of the car, and first we have to remove this air tube here, and right below it, right in the bottom there, you have to remove that screw there. That's what's holding the air tube. And you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to remove that. Once you remove that, you're going to see right here, there's like a little tab here. All you got to do is pick it up, and this is going to go up. Once you do that, we're going to take this wire here. It was already removed. Remove it. Now we're going to also remove this right here. We're going to remove this clamp here. All we have to do is just press it, and then we're going to pull it out. Once we do that, we're going to come over here. We're going to loosen up this screw here. This is the same one that's down there. One is that, you pull it. And I'm going to remove the one in the bottom. You can't hardly see it, but I'm going to remove it. It's the same one as the top one. Once you do that, all you have to do is just pull this. And like I said, pull this.
Wow.
And everything is out.
Wow.
Now that all this is removed, all we have to do is remove this out of here. And you're going to need a 10mm socket.
That man's amazing.
So all you gotta do is remove all four of them, and we'll be right back. Right here, Bob. So now we're gonna remove the last screw, and now we have this modular here, and all we have to do is you're gonna use a screwdriver. First, you're gonna push this back, and you're gonna use the screwdriver, and then you're just gonna press it in and pull it out. That's about it. Now, what we're gonna do is, when we raise this up, the coil pack and everything should come out. Usually, sometimes it's a little hard, but you just gotta wiggle it. It looks like it's been here a long time.
Wow. Oh, that's all dirty, huh?
And let's see what happened. Got spiders in there. Two of them came out. The other one didn't come out, so this one we're just gonna have to work it and just pull it. And once you pull it, just push that back in. And there it goes. So now this is a good time to, it's white in there, but that looks like they put some type of grease or something in there.
What that mean is white?
Yeah, this probably look like they just put some grease when they put it in there.
Okay.
So now, here goes our spark plugs there. So we're gonna be using a 5/8. Gonna be using a long extension. And all we have to do is just go down.
Wow, I never would have figured this shit out in a million days.
And then you just gotta,
I want to see how these spark plugs look.
we're gonna see now. As you can see, I got a magnetic socket.
Oh, they are burnt out.
Oh yeah, these are burned, Bob. Look at this.
These are burnt out. Let me give you a good look at that.
Oh, look at this in the bottom, Bob. Look. You see this?
Oh my God.
So that right there on the coil is actually this right here. No, actually, that's actually like some type of grease they put. That's nothing bad. But let's keep removing them, Bob. That's one. Let's go with the other one. Ooh, Bob. Ooh.
I hope it don't break off.
Now I'm hoping it doesn't break.
Me too.
There it goes.
Get an impact gun like you. Tell everybody on this job they need an impact gun.
Look at this. Look at that, Bob.
Yes, that's very
Burned
terrible.
out. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove all of them, and we'll be right back. So here we are. We're removing our last spark plug. And if you notice, this one doesn't have no washer, because when I opened the other ones, I didn't see them. So I guess that's the way they come, but you can see how burned they are. So now what we're gonna do is with the first one, we're gonna take the nut one, and you just want to put a little bit of NICs on it. The reason why you want to do this, you see how hard it was to take out the spark plugs? With the NICs, it avoids of being stuck. This is a magnetic one. You don't want to throw it in there. All you want to do is just first put it in there. Don't throw them.
And you don't want to tighten it up really hard, huh?
Not right now. I'll show you.
Yep.
Then we'll do another one. We do the same thing we did. A little bit of NICs on it. Same thing. Don't throw and just put it down.
Yeah.
Rotate it by hand. Once you feel it tight, you want to use, you're going to get your 3/8 ratchet. And now when you feel it tight, what you want to do is just go, you hold it straight, not crooked. You want to hold it straight, and then
pop.
And then just a little bit.
Gotcha.
We'll do the same thing with the other one. Down, straight down, hold it. And then just a little bit. So I'll do one more where you can see. Same thing, you're gonna do the same thing to all of them.
Now that grease is just so it goes in smoothly?
Yeah, not only that, for next time you remove it, you see how hard it was to remove it? It won't be that hard.
These plugs have never been removed since 1973.
We're gonna do the same thing by hand. I'm gonna need this rag right here right quick.
But that really could, these spark plugs could make the car run shaky, just like a lawnmower,
yeah.
You know, like.
Misfire,
Yep.
cause misfire. You never change the spark plugs. Watch how your car's gonna run much better now.
Yeah, you're right.
It's better to replace the spark plug than replacing those coils, I'll tell you that much. Ooh, that's a cost. So, once you feel it tight, you're gonna put your ratchet again. Once you feel it tight, and then just a little bit. So I'm gonna do the other one, and I'll be right back. All right, so we finished our last one. Now all we have to do is just put everything back. Remember, the coil's out. So just remember, you see the holes, you got 4. So all you have to do is just push it in. Gonna go right in. Make sure they go right inside the spark plug. Push it down. There it goes. Once we do that, connect this wire harness here. Connect it. All you gotta do is just push it in. Now we're just gonna put these in. Make sure you press this down, that it goes down. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna screw them all back in, and we'll be right back. So now that we screw all these in, all we have to do now is put the air box in. And remember, Bob is cleaning me. So remember how this goes? This goes, the long part goes here. And this goes where the throttle body is at. And you just want to make sure that you push it in. Once you push that in, you want to push this in. Show them that part, Bob.
Yep.
Go back a little bit. Go back. So you want to just push that in. And once you push that in, you want to start tightening it. All right, once that's tightened, you come over here. You want to put the wire harness in. Push it in. Then you take the air tube, just push that in. Grab the clamp. You got me this baby clamp over here, Bob. There you go. So all this is over here. Coming this side, Bob.
Gotcha.
Coming this side over here. And now, don't forget that you have to screw that inside. And Bob, where is the thing that goes here? Let me see.
You sure something go there?
Yeah. It's a little, there's a little black piece in there. Yeah, there's a cap in there. So, let me just first... Let me get that piece. We gotta find that piece, Bob. Give us a minute. We'll be right back. We gotta find that piece.
All right, let me turn this off.
So after 30 minutes looking for this piece, we found it. And this piece right here goes right here where the hole is at. And all you have to do, it goes from there to there. And all you have to do is just push it in. If I find the hole, there it goes. You have to push it hard, Bob.
Yeah.
Okay, there it goes. Once you push it in, push that in, and then all you have to do is take this and connect it here. And don't forget to screw that one back in, and you have completed your Spark Plus change on a 2007 Saturn Vue. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.